Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Audacity, which is a free audio editing program. So first of all, you will open google.com and this keyword Audacity you will type in and you will press enter to search for this software. The first link here is from audacityteam.org. On this you will click on this link here to open the website. Now here, as you can see, it's a free open source cross-platform audio software. You'll scroll down and you will click download Audacity. Here you have choices for Windows, uh, Apple's Mac and Linux. So I'll click download Audacity here. And on this page, as this is by default open for Windows here, although we can download for other softwares as well, you can see bottom left here the download has started. It's around 54.7 MB. So this is the file I need to install Audacity on my system. So once the file is downloaded, you will just click on the file name to run the setup file. As you click on that, the Windows will ask you for permission. Click yes. Okay, here you have to select English as a language. It depends, there are different languages, so you can select according to yours. I'll keep it as English and press OK. Now the setup has started. I'll click next. Next. Again I click next. And this is your choice whether you want the desktop shortcut or not. I'll keep it, and then I click next and install. It will take few seconds to get installed as this is a small file. The installation of a software depends on the speed of your system as well. If your system is faster, the installation will be obviously done quickly. Alright, here once it's installed, click next and then keep it like this, launch Audacity and click finish. The software is installed and now Windows is press OK and it's done. The software is installed and now you can use it. Thank you.